Alright guys, we at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what we can find here. Wait, hold on. This is a brand new Matchbox case. Oh, I think they was ready to put it on the pegs. Oh, man, I got lucky today. Let's go. Ooh. ...2024 Range Rover, 2018 Dodge Durango. Wow, this one is a nice one. They went off on this one. They also have the 2024 Subaru WRX X4 STI, 2025 Polaris RCR Pro R4 Sport. Wait, I ain't gonna lie, these ones are nice. BMW N1, 2016 Nissan Sentra. Very nice. ...1986 Volvo 240 and ground grinder, and this is from the national park. One more for the collection for the national park. Skitter, 1966 Land Rover Gen 2. Okay, I think I guess that's like something like safari stuff like that. This is for like construction stuff. Okay, one more Subi and an Alfa Romeo Duetto. Nice, very cool. ...2023 Nissan Raya Pole Garbage Can. ...1968 Ford Mustang Fastback and another Subi. ...1962 Ford Anglia from Harry Potter and another Rangy 2024. ...2016 Nissan Sentra and another Mustang. Another Beamer and another national park. Another Subi and another Rangy. I guess there's no chase, guys, for the next time. See you guys. Thank you for watching and always stay tuned. See you guys next time.